So we've got a couple of Bosch innovations that we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about Bosch's BiTurbo brushless motors, as well as their amazing 18-volt ProCORE batteries. And I am joined by the wonderful Dan from Bosch. So what is it that's actually setting BiTurbo brushless motors apart from your standard brushless motor?
So the stronger motors you find in these machines, bigger, heavier magnets requiring more power to turn with far more force to provide more turning force to the power tool.
We're seeing this more and more. You're seeing the power of a corded machine being instilled into a cordless model, and I'm guessing, you know, this is where Bosch's brushless BiTurbo motor comes in, is that it's, you know, it's aiding the system to, you know, be able to display that power. Was it up to 2,000 watts?
Up to 2,000 watts on some of the BiTurbo machines, and it doesn't necessarily mean a larger machine like this. We've got the GSB 18V-150C, 150 Newton meters of turning force out of a simple combi.
So Dan, but am I right in saying that, you know, you don't even need the BiTurbo brushless motors? If you're just working with the ProCORE batteries, you're still going to see an improvement, you know, on your tools.
That's it, yeah. I mean, to have a BiTurbo machine is fantastic to take full advantage of the ProCORE battery system. However, these batteries are cross-compatible with our entire 18-volt lithium-ion range, meaning that if you were to purchase these batteries, you get a longer run time and more efficient use of the power in our system tools. So any of our pre-existing power tools that we do on the 18-volt platform.
So if you are looking for the latest and greatest innovations in power tools, if you are looking to have the power of a corded machine in a cordless model, then you are going to want to be checking out Bosch's ProCORE 18-volt batteries, as well as their BiTurbo brushless systems, available now at its.co.uk.